In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Payhip store in 2025. Setting up your own online store might seem daunting, but Payhip makes it incredibly straightforward. By the end of this guide, you'll be up and running, ready to start selling your products or services. First, head over to payhip.com. Once there, you'll need to sign up for an account. It's a simple process that requires just a few basic details. Creating an account on Payhip will be the foundation of your new store, so make sure to use a secure password that you'll remember. As soon as you've completed the sign-up process, be sure to check your email inbox. You'll need to confirm your email address to activate your account. This step is crucial because it ensures that your account is properly set up and ready to go. After confirming your account and logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the Add Product button. It's time to start showcasing what you've got to offer. Whether you're selling digital products like ebooks or courses, physical goods, or even offering services, this is where you'll begin. Click Add Product to open up the options for uploading your items. When you're in the product setup, you'll want to fill in all the necessary details, the product title, an engaging description, and of course, the price. Don't forget to upload any files or images that are associated with your product. These visuals are important as they give potential customers a clear idea of what they're purchasing. With your product ready, go to the Account section and then select Payment Details to set up how you'll get paid. Payhip offers integration with both PayPal and Stripe, providing flexibility on how you choose to receive funds. Choosing the right payment method is important, so pick what works best for you and your business needs. Now it's time to make your store uniquely yours. Under the Store tab, select Launch Your Store Builder. Here, you can customize your storefront by adding a logo, choosing your color scheme, and even setting up a custom domain if you prefer. Personalizing your store not only makes it attractive, but also helps in creating a recognizable brand identity. Lastly, once everything is to your liking and you're confident with how your store looks, go ahead and publish your product. Once published, your product will be available for purchase, so share your store link with potential customers, whether through social media, email newsletters, or directly via your network. Spreading the word is key to driving traffic to your store. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Payhip store is set up and ready to start bringing in sales. Congratulations on taking this exciting step in your business journey. Remember, you can always revisit any of these steps if you need to make changes or updates in the future.